Boot Barn was founded in 1978. It has grown to be the largest Western and work retailer in the nation. We say that our customers are the people that feed America, protect America, and that they build America. The top of mind for me when we make a business decision here for Boot Barn is mainly related around labor right now, because labor's in short supply and we need technology to overcome that shortage in supply. The daily volume out of this facility is about 3,500 to 4,000 packages a day, and that can be 5x around peak. So we brought IndPro at the beginning of the project along with Packsize to help us through this problem of throughput along with our labor shortage problem that we've had.
At Industrial Procurement Services, our goal is really to help people. When we were introduced to Boot Barn, we came in with the intent to learn the business, dig into their data, and really figure out how they operate. The original challenge was the need to fit 250,000 boots inside of 40,000 square feet and allow for those boots to be easily picked and easily replenished. The design goal of the system was 1,000 packages out the door every hour. And in order to hit that number, we needed to bring in automation. And Packsize, for us, was the obvious choice.
The combined partnership between Boot Barn, IndPro, and Packsize took a real collaborative effort. We took a data-driven process and came up with a custom solution for Boot Barn. The machine setup here is pretty unique in the fact that we've got several different machine platforms. One was the X7, which is our highly automated inline fulfillment system. The second one was the X4, which handles our complex multis. And the third would be our IQ Fusion line, which is there to handle any kind of overflow we might see during peak season. The X7 is really a unique piece of equipment in that it's really turnkey. It'll take an order, it'll get dimensioned, the machine will create a right size box every time, wrap it around the order, place a shipping label on it, and out the door it goes.
That to me was the most exciting thing about this project. The fact that we can run 75% of the product through that machine is pretty amazing, and the fact that it's automated.
Just seeing the throughput and capacity that you can get through the machine, it's just awesome. We came from a manual pick process to a manual pack-out process, and now we've automated both of those solutions.
There's several beneficiaries from the change or implementing the solution we have here at Boot Barn. One of them would be the customer. They're getting their packages more efficiently, they're right size. The bottom line here at Boot Barn has gained tremendously.
We were able to eliminate the vast majority of individual packers, so we were able to save an awful lot of labor, reallocate an awful lot of labor within the building, and double the throughput.
And the environment is always a key benefactor when you implement a Packsize system. We're reducing corrugated, so that's less trees that get cut down. We're putting more boxes on a truck because they're right size, so that's less trucks on the road. We're able to significantly reduce the carbon footprint. The future of our partnership with IndPro and Boot Barn is very bright.
I always think of it as IndPro truly is a division of Boot Barn. And collaboratively, we were able to complete some very, very successful projects over the last few years.
The relationship between Packsize, IndPro, and Boot Barn I hope to expand upon. We want to continue our partnership and see this grow and blossom as our company continues to grow.